All right, boys and girls, I want you to think about how the two books that we've read the past 2 days, the Three Billy Goats Gruff and the Three Billy Goats Fluff. I want you to think about how they are the same and how they are different. So we've used a Venn diagram before where what is on over here means this is something that just the book, The Three Billy Goats Gruff has. This side would be only things that the Three Billy Goats Fluff has. And then this would be something that is in both. So I want you to use this Venn diagram to help you think about when you respond to the Flipgrid question. I want you to think about have this help you think through your answers. So what is something that only happened in the Three Billy Goats Gruff? They went across the bridge. So did they, right? They also went across a bridge. So you could say that about both. All the Billy Goats went loudly over the bridge. Both books both had a troll that lived under the bridge, right? In the Three Billy Goats Gruff, they knocked when the third Billy Goat went over the bridge. What did he do to the troll? He knocked him into the water. Did that happen in Three Billy Goats Fluff? In Three Billy Goats Fluff, there was a Mama Billy Goat, and what did she use to instead of knocking the troll into the water, she thought about what he needed, right? That maybe he wasn't getting enough sleep because her Billy Goats were being so loud. So she tried to fix the problem another way. Instead of pushing the troll into the water. So I want you to think about some other differences. Think about the characters. They both had three Billy Goats and a troll. But did the Three Billy Goats Gruff have a mama Billy Goat? No. But did the Three Billy Goats Fluff? Yes, they did. And they were able to use kindness to get what they wanted, where the Three Billy Goats Gruff did not use kindness to get what they wanted. So I want you to see if you can think of some other ways that the books were the same, something that would be both, and then also things that were different about the books. So hopefully this will help you think through your answer to how you can compare, which that's how you see how things are the same, or you contrast, which means that's how you see how books are different.